Hello, kamusta kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin dito is, I'm getting the energy na may nais or may gustong ma-date ka. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung sino itong tao na gusto kang ma-date, kapatid, at bakit. Okay? This is collective reading, hindi ko nahabaan. Okay, alamin lang natin kung sino itong gustong ma-date ang ating viewers. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Sino itong gustong ma-date ka? Alam mo, ikaw ang target ng taong ito. Ikaw itong ninais-nais. Yeah. Number one target ang mga viewers ko na ikaw ang ma-date ng taong ito. Na ma-date ka. Siguro natamaan ito ni Cupid. Okay? Ni Cupido. Itong taong ito. In lababo. I'm also getting that this person is open up. Sinishare niya yung nararamdaman niya sa ibang tao. Could be friends, family members, katrabaho, na may nararamdaman siya sa iyo. And how to catch you. How to get your attention. So again, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakarasunit dito dahil ito ay collective reading. General reading, hindi po ito sa isang tao lang, ito ay para sa lahat. Huwag lang tayong bitter. My spirit teams, tell me more, sino itong tao na gustong ma-date ang ating viewers? Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin kung itong iba. Yeah, this could be your boss. Or you could be, this could be your wife. Kung ikaw itong may asawa na. Kung ikaw itong male gender. This could be your wife. Mix eh. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga energy nito. Alam mo, instead of tinatanong ko na sino, I'm getting the reason. Kaya gusto kang lang ma-date dahil you could be a good mother. There's a potential, nakukuha nila yung potential mo na magiging mabuti kang ina, mabuting mga magulang. You could be a good mentor. Siguro ikaw yung boss, matalino. Yes. And people listen to you. So this person is really admiring you. Ina-admire ka ng taong ito, kapatid. And you could be, again, a boss, a mother, matalino. Yeah. Straightforward. Prangka. Elegant. Siguro mahilig ka magsuot ng dress. Yeah. Yeah, you have this an energy of like a wealthy. Siguro magaling ka sa mga damit mo, sa sinusuot mo. I'm also getting like this person sees you like quiet. Medyo quiet pero malakas ang dating. Matalino. Mayaman, mapera. I'm also getting like ikaw yung target ng taong ito kasi parang hindi mo siya pinapansin. Parang bang, bakit kaya, curiosity, curious itong taong ito sa'yo. Kasi hindi ka open. Hindi mo siguro siya kinakausap o siguro hindi ka makwento. And I'm also getting like, this person is wanting to have a baby with you. Gusto niyo magkaroon ng anak, magkaroon kayo ng anak ng taong ito. Yeah, this person is holding like in lababo itong taong ito sa iyo. Yeah. If you guys notice, you guys you are holding, okay? Hawak-hawak ninyo yung puso ng taong ito. Wow. Meron itong partner mo na. Yeah. You are holding this person. Itong partner mo. Until now, your person wants to with this person, yung partner ninyo, if you are currently in a relationship, your partner wants to have a baby with you. O siguro, ikaw itong nanay or tatay, may mga anak na kayo, or may mga pusa, or aso, or hayop. Yeah. This person gives you joy. Okay? Siguro ikaw itong natutuwa din, parehas kayong in love. So, kung ikaw itong curious, kung mahal na mahal ka ba ng person mo, again, the answer is confirmed. Mahal na mahal ka ng taong ito, ikaw lang at wala ng iba. Yeah. This could be a teacher. Maybe you're dealing with a teacher, a boss, fashionista. Okay? And I'm also getting like, you could be a fashionista. Malakas ang appeal mo. Yeah. And you can control this person. Maybe you guys are like para bang nararamdaman niya na, ano bang meron dito sa kanila or sa kanya? Bakit feeling ko parang kinokontrol ako ng taong ito? Bakit feeling ko na I am drawn? Ba't ba ako nadodrown sa taong ito? Yeah. Wow. Okay. Tell me more about this, more. Itong gusto ma-edit ang ating viewers. Sino itong taong ma-edit ang ating viewers? Okay, wala naman yata. Wala detach. Alright. Ano ba ito? Kunin natin itong view. Itong tarabot na ito. Sino pa, Spirit Guardian, itong gustong ma-edit ang ating viewers? Tell us more about this person. Death. This person wants something new. Siguro nasaktan ka niya at gusto niya ng new opportunity with you. New beginning. Pagbabago. O siguro nabago mo itong taong ito. Yeah. This person change. Yeah, nagbago itong taong ito dahil sa iyo. Kaya gusto niya ikaw lang at wala ng iba. Parang bullseye. Sana ay forever ka na. When it comes, even sa relationship, kasi meron ditong admirer, nag-admire sa'yo. Meron naman dito yung partner mo. Yeah. Na ikaw lang at wala ng iba. Na sana ay magtatagal ka sa kanya. Okay? And I'm also getting like this person is admiring you from afar. This person doesn't know kung ano bang meron sa'yo at bakit nadodrone siya sa'yo. Kasi nga natamaan siya ni Cupido. Yeah. This person is really like attracted to you. Kahit nga may asawa ka na, this person is still attracted to you. Ang lakas ng appeal mo. Kahit na may mga anak ka na, malakas pa rin ang appeal mo. Sexy ka pa rin. Okay? And this person is admiring you. Para bang love is blind. Wow. Yeah, para sa kanya, love is blind. Siguro yung mga katrabaho niya, people around this person na, uy, may asawa na yan, take na yung taong yun. Ba't gusto mo pa rin yung taong yan? This person doesn't even know kung bakit anong meron sa'yo. But then again, the answer is, why? Bakit gusto ka niya ma-date? Dahil nakikita niya na, isa kang mabuting magulang, maganda ka, sexy pa rin, maamo, maganda manamit, tahimik, straightforward, loyal, trustworthy, matalino, malakas ang dating sa'yo ng taong ito. And those are the reasons. Kaya nga sinasabi ng tao, love is blind. You know? Yeah. So, hindi naman lahat na pangit, ano? Meron lang talaga ano natin na, iba-iba kasi yung perception ng tao, iba-iba yung tingin ng tao sa kapwa natin. You know, like, iba-iba yung looks, iba yung gusto natin. Minsan parang, para sa atin maganda, gwapo na, pero sa iba hindi naman. But then again, love is blind. Pag once na si Cupido na ang natamaan ka ni Cupido, yun na talaga. Talagang nadodraw na yung tao sa'yo. Or inlababo na talaga siya. Yeah. So, this person wants a new beginning, friendship. Yeah. This person wants to have clarity. Again, this could be ex-partner. This person might want to have clarity na hindi niya alam kung paanong paraan na maibalik yung magandang relasyon. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this could be a third-party situation. Yeah, this person might cheated on you. Siguro nagkaroon siya ng iba, nasaktan ka, and then this person still thinking na kung maibabalik ka pa ba sa kanya or babalik pa ba, may chance pa bang magbabalikan kayo, na this person's thinking na to take you out, mag-date. Okay? Kahit na friendship na muna. Yeah. Siguro humingi siya ng tulong sa kapwa niya, katrabaho, pamilya, kung paanong paraan na makuha yung attention mo ulit. Yeah. Ten of Cups, this could be a family. Okay? Yung iba naman dito is a family member. Yeah, a father. It could be your husband or your wife or ex. Okay? Yeah. This person wants you again. Gusto kasi, ang taong ito, Kaya gusto kanya ma-date, it's because this person learns so much from you. Ang dami niyang natutunan sa'yo. And that's why this person sees you like a family. A true love. Okay? Hindi siya magsasawa sa'yo na to learn so much from you. Yeah, you bring joy from the family. You completed him or her. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, marami dito din partner ninyo, kapatid, spouse ninyo or karelasyon ninyo. Okay. Siguro kayo ay bossy, pero kahit na bossy kayo, your person or this person wants to date you, still embrace that personality na kahit bossy kayo. That's one of the image of you na na-attract sila, na nagustuhan nila. Okay? Four of Cups, the Wheel. So, maybe you are destined. This person is destined to be with you. Itong tao na minamanifest ka na ma-date ka, na makasama ka habang buhay, this person is guiding towards you. Kung hindi mo pa nakilala ito, you will be meeting your soulmate. This is your soulmate. You are dealing with your soulmate na gusto kang ma-date. Hindi mo man siya nakita pa or nakikita pa or na-meet, this person is guiding towards you para makilala mo siya, para makilala mo pa siya ng lubusan. Yeah. Yeah, this is like destiny. You are destined to be with your soulmate. You are destined. This person is bringing up or, okay, yung iba dito, asawa mo na siya. Okay? So, again, this, the whole thing of this person is, ginaguide siya para magkakilala kayo because you are destined to be with this person. This is your soulmate. Yeah. You are destined to know this person, to date this person, to be your spouse, to learn each other, na may matutunan kayo dito spiritually, especially spiritually, this person will learn. Itong taong ito ay marami siyang matutunan mula sa iyo. Okay? Yeah. At you will be bringing balance sa taong ito. Balance, pagbabago, magandang pagbabago para sa kanya. You are a good, ang tawag doon, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng magandang impluwensya para sa kanya. It's really a good message for you. Kaya, this is a destiny. Destined to be with this person. Destined to meet this person. Itong admirer mo. Kaya nga minsan, hindi niya maintindihan, kahit na siguro ikaw, hindi mo maintindihan kung anong meron sa kanya, but then again, because you are soulmate, you are guided, both of you, na magkita or magkakilala. Because you two will learn each other spirituality, mentally, and everything. Marami kayong matutunan sa isa't isa once you two are together. Yeah. Natutuwa ang angel ninyo, spirit animals ninyo, spirit guides, that finally kayo ay magiging isang dibdib. Or finally, you are healed. This joy, this you together, being you together, bring happiness. Kahit na hindi, sabi natin, hindi naman, few lang ha dito. Yeah, very few. Kasi, this person na makilala ninyo, you are destined to be with this person. This is your karma. A good karma. So, this is like a fulfillment, a happy family. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, there will be like a painful. You could be meeting this person once you are a single mother. If you are a single mother, a single parent, even if mayroon ka na, nasaktan ka na, feel free to accept this person. Feel free to understand this person, to know about this person, na makilala mo tong taong ito. It's okay. It's okay na kahit na single mom ka, single dad ka, you have freedom to choose who you are or who you wanted to be with, kung sino itong gusto mo na makasama or makadate. Kasi meron itong nasaktan na, parang nawalan ka na ng confidence sa sarili mo, but then again, this person sees you a perfect match. Kaya gusto ka niya ma-date at gusto ka niya makilala pa. And yeah, you just have to build all that courage to learn this person. But then again, once na makilala mo itong taong ito, you too, makakaramdam kayong dalawa ng parang tinamaan kayo ni Cupido. Both. Parehas kayo dito. Very strong energy. Okay? Yeah. So, alamin natin kung sino itong tao na destiny mo na at gusto kang ma-date. Again, meron itong partner ninyo and makilala nyo pa. And alam nyo na kung paano mo, if you are currently married na, alam nyo na kung bakit nakilala mo yung person mo ngayon. It's because you are being guided to be with this person. To learn each other. Spirituality as well. Okay, what else recurring there? Sino itong tao? Oh, no. Tell us more. Sino itong tao na gusto ma-date ang ating viewers? Okay. We have here a vlogger. Itong tao ito ay vlogger. This person is watching you. Letter Y. Negosyante. This could be you, negosyante, kasi minsan guys, nagkaka-reverse yung energy natin dito. This could be your person or you. A neighbor. This person who wants to date you. Isa sa mga kapitbahay ninyo. Year of the horse. This person might be born during year of the horse. Designer. Yes, we have a designer. Siguro ikaw, maybe this person likes this clothing. Okay, and nakita niya yung parang magiging compatible kayo pareho. Lovely. This person's lovely. Maybe pangalan niya is lovely. Creative. Maybe you are creative or maybe your person is creative. Merong letter W. Okay. Mahilig sa K-pop. This person loves K-pop. Oh my God, twin flame. So you are dealing with your twin flame. So again guys, this could be also your ex-lover. Kasi minsan sa twin flame, nagiging kayo, tapos bigla nagkaroon ng breakup situation. This is part of twin flame journey. Para meron kayong matutunan during that separation. But then again, once na nagka-breakup na, and then once na nag-evolve na kayo pareho, may mga natutunan na kayong pagkakamali. Spirituality, your guardian angel is going to help you and your person na magkasamang muli or magkikitang muli. Depende kasi may twin flame na nagiging friendship na lang muna, and that's all right. It's part of this journey. Okay? So again, if somehow your ex ay babalik, very strong, pakinggan nyo muna yung side niya. Because there is a message for you here that this person is meant for you. You are destined to be with your twin flame, your other half. Yes. Ang twin flame journey is not really easy. May mga pagsubok talaga. Sometimes may mga third party or something about na may mga blockages. Okay? So again, the reason na kayo ay nagkaroon ng breakup is because you just have to learn each other's mistake, yung mga pagkakamali ninyo, and spirituality. Once na parehas kayo ay nag-evolve, and then that's how your guardian angels is guiding you to each other na maibalik muli. Friendship, okay? Make sure you two are ready na kayo na to face each other's mistake, kung ano yung mga mali. It's okay to say sorry, accept that sorry, yeah, apology, and listen to your intuition. Okay? So, hanggang dito na mga kapatid. Sana nakaresonate kayo. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ninyo dito sa akin any of my tarot reading videos at the Start Talking Tarot. I love you guys and see ya. Bye!